Most men don't know how to care for their hair properly. Men just shower and use shampoo or sometimes conditioner. But 60% of men don't know there is more to hair care than just shampoo and conditioner. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to care for your hair. I'll explain it step by step. As a man, you have to follow these 5 easy routines if you really want to get healthy and strong hair. These are simple yet effective routines that only take an extra few minutes. These are the pre-shower routine, shower, after shower, evening routine, and most importantly, night routine. So don't skip this one. This routine prepares your hair for washing and protecting it from damage. Start by gently brushing your hair to remove any tangles. This is especially important if you have longer hair, as it helps reduce shedding in the shower and prevents clogging the drain. If you have thick or curly hair, use a pre-shampoo oil or conditioner to protect your strands before shampooing. Applying oil can help lock in moisture and prevent the shampoo from stripping away too many natural oils. Simply massage a few drops of oil, such as argan or coconut oil, along the length of your hair. If you have dandruff or a dry scalp, now is a good time to use an exfoliating scalp treatment. These treatments usually contain tea tree oil or salicylic acid, which is great for scalp problems. They help remove dead skin, reduce product buildup, and prepare the scalp for washing. These treatments also balance the scalp's oil, moisturize, and reduce dandruff or irritation. You usually wash them out in the shower. Apply the treatment to your scalp, massage it to loosen any flakes, and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. When you are in the shower, thoroughly wet your hair with lukewarm water, not hot water. Hot water can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Once your hair is wet, take about 2 to 3 pumps of shampoo, depending on your length. The main job of shampoo is to clean your hair by removing dirt and oil, but it is important to find one that doesn't damage your scalp. I recommend always using a sulfate-free shampoo with natural ingredients. Washing your hair once is enough, as long as you use the right shampoo. Don't be misled by TV ads that say to wash, rinse, and repeat. It is better to focus the shampoo on your scalp rather than the ends of your hair, because that's where oils and dirt build up. Also, avoid using your fingernails when washing your scalp. While it might feel like you're scrubbing well, it can actually cause tiny scalp tears, which can lead to irritation and hair loss over time. Instead, use your fingertips and gently massage in a circular motion. There are so many do's and don'ts for shampooing that I can't cover in this video. Let me know if you would like a separate video, as problems like hair loss, dandruff, and flaking often come from incorrect shampoo use. After shampooing, it is time for the conditioner. Don't ever use 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It is just a marketing trick that doesn't help your hair at all. Shampoo and conditioner do completely different things, so they can't work together in one product. If you have one, just wash your car with it and buy a separate shampoo and conditioner for your hair. Regularly conditioning your hair is really important to prevent split ends and frizz, especially if your hair is long. Unlike shampoo, you can use conditioner every day. It helps lock in moisture, nourish your hair, and keep it healthy by reducing dryness, breakage, and shedding. Choose a good quality moisturizing conditioner that suits your hair type. Apply it to the length of your hair, leave it on for a few minutes to let it soak in, and then rinse it thoroughly with lukewarm water. I recommend using a lightweight conditioner if you have fine or thin hair, but if you have thicker or curly hair, pick a more hydrating formula. Once you're out of shower, the after-shower routine begins. How you handle your hair after washing can make a big difference in its health and appearance. As your hair is wet, instead of aggressively rubbing it with a towel, try patting it gently. Harsh towel drying can lead to breakage and frizz, especially if your hair is fine or prone to dryness. You can use a microfiber towel to show some extra love to your hair, as it can reduce friction and absorb excess water more effectively. Now that your hair is slightly damp, this is the perfect time to apply any hair products designed to moisturize or protect your hair. If you skip the conditioner in the shower, you can apply a leave-in conditioner to hydrate and detangle your hair. If you have curly or wavy hair, use a curl cream or mousse while the hair is still damp to define the curls and reduce frizz. For those with straight hair, a lightweight styling cream or gel can help with a sleek, smooth look. Once you've applied your product, you can let your hair air dry or use a blow dryer depending on your preference. If using a blow dryer, always use a heat protectant spray to prevent damage from the heat. Keep the blow dryer on low or medium heat and avoid holding it too close to your scalp. If you spend a lot of time working outdoors, protecting your hair from sun damage is really important. A UV protection spray can help keep your hair safe from harmful rays, preventing it from drying out or damage. The evening routine is just as important as your pre-shower or after-shower routine, especially if you're outdoors or working out. Dust, pollution, and sweat can build up on your scalp. so it is really important to freshen up your hair. You can use a dry shampoo to absorb excess oil. Dry shampoo comes in a spray or powder form. I recommend using spray one as they are easy to use and less messy. Simply shake the bottle, spray a small amount on your roots, massage it into your scalp, let it sit for a minute or two, and then comb it through. The dry shampoo will soak up any oil, giving your hair a fresh appearance and adding some volume. Before you go to bed, it is time for the night routine. Nighttime is a great opportunity to give your hair a break and let it recover from the day. One of the best things that you can do for your hair at night is to protect it while you sleep. You can also apply a few drops of hair oil to the ends of your hair to keep them hydrated. This is especially helpful if you have dry or damaged hair. The oil will work overnight to replenish moisture and keep your hair soft and smooth. You can buy a good quality oil mix from the market. Some of you may ask, can I make DIY oil mix at home? Of course, you can make it at home. I personally use homemade oil for myself. To make this, mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and 1 tablespoon of argan oil with 5 to 7 drops of peppermint essential oil. Warm the mixture in your hands and massage it into your hair length. But remember, less is more. You only need 2 to 3 pumps for your hair. If your scalp is dry or flaky, you can apply soothing serums or moisturizing treatments. Products with ingredients like aloe vera, jojoba oil, or vitamin E are meant to nourish and hydrate the scalp overnight. They also reduce dryness or irritation while you sleep. Massage the treatment into your scalp for a few minutes before going to bed and let it work overnight. If your hair is long enough, tying it in a loose bun or braid can prevent tangles and reduce breakage while you sleep. Make sure you don't tie it too tightly, as this can put unnecessary tension on your scalp and cause hair loss over time. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase is one of the best things you can do for your hair while you sleep. These fabrics create less friction than traditional cotton pillowcases, which can help prevent hair breakage and reduce frizz. With these 5 hair care routines, you will get really strong hair in just few weeks. Especially if you're growing your hair, strong hair is very important. Are you looking to grow your hair and get more flowy hairstyle? Watch this video.